Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can insert a calendar database in Notion. So first thing you're going to do is make sure you're signed into your Notion account and you have a page and you're clicked inside that page where it says the prompt to write something or press space for AI/work commands. We're going to hit the / button. And once we do that, we're going to start typing in calendar view. Once we see our blocks populate, you'll be able to see under database where it says calendar view. You're going to hit calendar view and you're going to see our calendar populate. On the right side of our calendar, you can see it says new view. You can exit out of that by clicking outside of that little box. You can also check out my other videos if you need to figure out how to use this menu up here and how to navigate that. If you check out my table database video, I go over in depth more about that menu because that doesn't change depending on the database that I'm using. What we're going to do is we're going to see that we have an untitled calendar. We can go in and title that. We can also click on these three little dots if we want to view a database, if we want to edit the title of that database, or we want to hide the title of the database. Once we go down into the calendar itself, we can open in the calendar. Now, once we click on this, you'll need to give Google permission, and then you'll be able to sign into a Google account where you can link your calendars into your Notion. If you need to go to the next month, you'll just use these little arrows to go back and forth depending on what month you need to be in. Now, in order to add a calendar item, you're going to click inside the day that you need to see. More of a hovering over, and you're going to see in the top left hand corner there's going to be a plus sign and it's going to say add an item. You're going to add an item and this center peak is going to show up, and this is where you're going to type in the event that you need to add to your calendar. You can go in and you can change the date if you need to add any tags, if you need to add a property. Now, these properties are, if you want to check out my video, it's titled properties part one and part two. This goes in more depth about how to use the properties in Notion, so you can check that out if you don't know how to use these. And then if you need to add in any information down here, you're just going to go in and add in that information. And then we'll click out of that. And then once we do, we'll see that the title of our event is there. If we need to open that, we'll just click on that itself. And that is how you insert calendar databases in Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.